What's going on, guys? Nathan with Technology Smash back with another video, and today I have a unboxing and look at this new wallet. So this is by a company called Arrow Collective. You might have seen these wallets if you look up any like EDC or just thinner wallets. Wallets have become really popular in the past couple of years for who can make the thinnest, who can make the best. So I know that if you've been around for a little while, you've seen that I did a review of or an unboxing of some Ridge products and wallets. I've loved wallets for as long as I can remember. I have a lot of different wallets that I switch to and use. I like knives and I like wallets and phone cases, and this is something I was really excited when Arrow Collective said that they would send me a couple of these. So this is unique because this is the thinnest wallet. I don't think you could really get thinner than this. I don't know how you would. So let's get into this. I'll show you what it looks like and then kind of show you what I like about it. I've been using my version for about a week now. This is the second one they sent me. There was a couple of them that they sent. So shout out to them. I'll link their information below. But shout out to Arrow Collective for sending me these to check out. Super cool of them to do that. So let's get right into this. So as you can see, first of all, the packaging is really cool because it's literally like a piece of paper pamphlet. This is the wallet. It's inside of here. So the first thing you do is you just slide off this outer band, kind of like a stack of cash. Flip it over and there's like an envelope style opening. The wallet is inside here, wrapped in some more protective. So the first thing when you open it up is this card, like a quick card underneath the money strap here. It's just letting you know how to use the wallet. Place 1 to 4 cards in each of the slot, and there's an ID window on the left hand side right there. Cash goes in the loop holding this guide in place. So just like this is placed, cash goes in there as well. And it just kind of says, you know, use the wallet. It says over here, throw a party, jump off a plane, experience the freedom with the greatest wallet, a total game changer. Proudly made in California. So that comes out. They're advertising on this side some of their new phone screen protectors, and then you just have some slot holders here with just some little packets of info. It's just telling you on here some of the features, so you can see if you can read that. RFID blocking, adventure ready, ultralight, incredible strength, totally grammable, made to last, ballistic material, impossibly thin, minimalistic design. So the cool thing about this wallet, and the weird thing when I first opened it, is look at it's almost nothing. And they're not super cheap. So at first, when I was looking at mine, the one that I opened up, I was kind of taken aback in a negative way until I started using it, and I really do like it. This isn't because it was sent to me for free. This is because I do like it. So I'll show you what mine looks like. I'm not going to open it because my cards are right in here. Here's mine. You can see the imprint of the cards on both sides, but this is the totality. This is the whole width of this wallet. So let me check really quick. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 8 cards in mine. I hardly carry cash, but there's 8 cards in mine. One of them is a really thick ID that I use for work. So technically it's about 9 and it fits perfect. This is almost nothing. This material is really cool. Like it said before, it's like a ballistic style material. So a couple of the stats here on their website. It's 15 times stronger than steel. It's as thin as a razor. It holds up to 8 cards and cash. It is RFID protection. And it basically says, so it says on here, unlike other thin wallets, Stealth Wallet, and that's the name of this wallet itself, Stealth Wallet, is made to last and was built with practical use and durability. It can carry 8 cards at a time, RFID blocking, yada yada. So there's no cash flap at all. Like, you don't open this wallet up. It's just this piece, and it's actually not like pre-folded. So this actually, when I first had it, it wasn't, it was strange because I see how you kind of have to make it happen. So I'll show you. I have a bunch of these old like bowling alley cards. So you start on one side if you want and just take them in, slide them in. 2, we'll do the full, what can fit here. Actually, I'm gonna do 3. Oh no, I have 7, so we'll do 4 and 3. So we got 4 on that side, and then on this side we'll do 3. So you pretend your ID is here, because that's like the ID window slot they're talking about. But what's cool is you see how they're kind of overlaid. Like the bottom of this card is the opposite, like it's up at the top part of the wallet and this one is down lower. The cash strap is in the middle. Then the fold kind of just takes place by itself and it will just kind of fold into that shape. But I love it. It seems incredibly strong. It's super strange just because it's not really anything. The material seems very strong. What they're saying and what they're claiming seems like it should last for a very long time. So I'm not worried about that. And then you can see I have a really messed up folded bill here. But what you do is you take this strap. I almost never carry cash, but you lift this up and then you can kind of keep it in the center there and shut it, same kind of thing. It's just super thin. It's crazy thin. It's basically the width of the cards. Like I said, I don't think you could actually get any thinner than this. I don't think it's possible at this point unless you just were to put a rubber band around your cards, and even then it's still pretty much that. But yeah, I've been using it, like I said, for about a week now, and I have zero complaints. Some people might not like it for certain things. If you carry this is for somebody who doesn't like a big thick wallet. So I don't carry coins. I hardly carry any cash. Mine is all cards. So this fits just like it says, 4 and 4. I don't know how loose it'll get over time. So far mine is holding nice and tight. There's no real issue with it at all. So that's all there really is to it. There's not much here. So it's just those 2 flaps that hold, and there's their logo just right on the front here. Aero Collective. This is a Razer Stealth wallet. I'm going to link everything down below. But again, big shout out to them and thanks so much for sending these both out to me. I really appreciate it and supporting the channel. And you guys should go check them out if you're interested at all. Feel free to leave any questions down below and I'll answer whatever I can. And that does it for this one. Talk to you guys later.